So we got a couple of TELESIN products in that we're actually going to be going over in multiple videos. So for the first video, we are going to be looking at the TELESIN camera grip for the DJI Action 5. It will also fit the 4 and the 3, but this is the camera grip. Alrighty, so straight out of the box, first thing I notice, it does have an aluminum cage, and it is powder coated with that black, and that's actually kind of nice. Simply open it up this way, and that is where your action camera is going to pop in. You didn't think I was going to show this to you without actually using a DJI Action 5, did you? So, super simple, slides right in, boom, locks in place. You're done. That's the cage portion of this. This cage is also going to provide you with a cold shoe, so you can actually mount, what do I have? Do I have any lights? Yep, I have a light. So basically you would put that in there, and look at that. Now you have a light on the cage. Cold shoe mount, and then on the bottom, because it's all opened and cut out, it's actually going to allow you to still use your DJI Quick Connects. Ta-da! Still works. Alrighty, so let's get into the meat and taters portion of this. The reason we're actually doing this video footage, because of this. The actual little camera mount that you can put on this, it goes in right here on the side. You've got a screw right here that you're going to screw in, and it's going to mount this into place and actually hold it so it gives you a grip. There we go. And this is the small rig multi-tool for camera gear. We'll also have that connected to this video. So now you've got your camera grip. Great, no problem. They provide you with this portion right here. What this is going to do is this is actually going to slide into, lift up a little bit on it, slides in, it's got a firm little grip on it, and boom. Now, this is the whole unit. So let's turn this guy on. And we're going to put this into photo mode.
Video 1, photo.
We're in photo mode. Now, little red button here. Boom. I just took a burst of pictures because I've got mine set to do bursts. So essentially what you're going to be able to do is turn your DJI Action 5, 4, or 3 into a handheld camera. It's compact, portable, and if you know anything about the DJIs, you know they take amazing photographs. Very user-friendly, I guess you could say. You don't have to go in and do a lot of adjustments as you would on your standard DSLR cameras. So this is the whole unit right here. Pretty nice. I dig this. Easy to hold, and I've got big hands. So, yep, definitely TELESIN. You guys did an amazing job. I love the construction on this whole thing. I've bought several of these cages to try them out, and TELESIN so far is the only one that has this portion right here in aluminum. All the other ones have the aluminum cages, but this piece always seems to be plastic. This is solid aluminum. So there you go, guys. Highly recommended.